If you're trying to keep everyone accountable without wasting time in daily meetings, you're in the right place. I've tested all the most popular software tools for this exact goal: what actually works, what just adds noise. And by the end of this 3-minute tutorial, you'll know exactly how to keep your team aligned, on track, and responsible with 0 meetings. And if you want to follow along step by step, I've added a Nitats exclusive free trial link, non-interest, in the description below, only for viewers of my channel. Let's dive in. First, the key is visibility. Everyone needs to know what they're responsible for, what's in progress, and what's blocked. That means we need a system that centralizes tasks, shows ownership, and updates automatically. The software we're using does exactly that. Once you set up a simple project board, think columns like to do, in progress, and done, you assign each task to a specific person with clear deadlines. This is not revolutionary, but here's the key. Accountability only works when the system reminds people without you needing to. Turn on automatic status updates and daily recap emails. These replace your daily stand-ups. Each team member gets a digest of what they need to do, what's overdue, and what's changed. You don't have to chase anyone. The software does it for you. Next, set up weekly check-ins inside the platform. Everyone drops a quick update in writing. This builds a culture of responsibility without adding meetings to the calendar. You can review updates on your own time and respond only when needed. Also, use the comment threads under each task. Instead of bouncing between Slack, email, and Docs, the whole convo stays under the task. That creates a paper trail and cuts down on side conversations that go nowhere. Now here's where most people fail. They assume accountability is a one-time setup. It's not. You need to audit your board once a week. Are tasks being updated? Are deadlines slipping? If yes, don't wait. Leave a quick comment or assign a follow-up. The goal is low-touch management, not no touch. And finally, recognize wins publicly. Use your updates to call out progress. It reinforces the behavior you want and keeps your team engaged, especially when there's no daily meeting pressure. So, what's the key takeaway? Accountability doesn't require daily meetings. It requires clarity, visibility, and lightweight systems that remind, not nag. You've just learned how to set that up. Quick recap. Use a shared task board with owners and deadlines. Turn on auto updates and digest emails. Replace meetings with written weekly check-ins. Keep all convos under the task thread. Audit weekly. And recognize wins. If you want to implement this system today, I highly recommend trying the exclusive free trial of the software linked below. It's the exact one I tested and now use daily. Thanks for watching. Go make meetings optional, not mandatory.